Well, hello friends. It's viewer submission time. That's right, it is time for viewer submission videos. This was an idea that I came up with several weeks ago, and I announced it in my last video where I mistakenly called it a contest.
And this is the time now. We're going to do a summer viewer submission contest.
It is not a contest, it's not a competition. This is just a fun way for you to showcase all the efforts that you're doing that you tell me about in the comments sections and showcase them on my channel. So this video right here that you're watching is just a call to arms. If you have pictures, send them to me in my email. If you want to take a quick video, send it to me, up to maybe 90 seconds or so in length if I do a compilation. If you've got a YouTube channel of any size, doesn't matter, and you want to make a video, a short tour, I'll showcase it on my channel. Happy to. We're all about spreading the love, and I think it would be a lot of fun. So, my email is in the description below. Send me a message. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I want to get all the entries submitted by the 1st of July so I can start on any sort of production and get that rolling before my birthday on July 11th. Your submissions are my birthday present. Thank you very much. So, send me your stuff, and happy gardening. Thank you.